Okay, folks, Husband on Sundays. This is 11 o'clock and Festival City, you can see, and it's supposed to have fireworks here, and I'm already present. Okay, you can see the crowd here, and you can see the whistling sound, and all these people around. Okay, and it's a good, nice weather. Not really bad. Maybe around 34 degrees temperature here. Okay, and the regular stuff has already started. Yeah? The Child and His Dream. The crowd, everybody is enjoying. Fireworks have started. I have seen the fireworks. Woo! See, everybody is enjoying. Eid Mubarak, guys. Eid Mubarak. Everyone in every place. Happiness for everybody, and everybody get their what they want. Let there be more peace and joy in the world. Let's pray together for a happy world. You can see the crowd is so happy. Once again, happy to everyone. Thank you. A laser show on the fountains, and you can see the images on the fountain. There's a new technology. There's somewhat augmented reality. It looks very awesome. All of this is happening on the layer of water fountain. Wow. You see this? There's a fish. And on the walls of the, you can see the project. And yes, that's what I'm talking about.